This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, August 19th, 2019. The neighbor got a call for AC not working. Guy's got two systems in the house, I guess the first floor system. He says the fan's running outside, but it don't sound like the compressor's running, so. Hopefully it's not a leaker. Go by there, hopefully it's a capacitor or something simple. Burnt wire. Try to get. He said he changed. I asked him about the filters inside. He said he changed the filters. So we'll try to see what we can do. Starting. It's got a bad capacitor. It's right against the house.
So they move it. Is it possible that they push it?
It looks like they might have pushed it or something. I don't know. No disconnect, no nothing. Yeah, it's this capacitor here we're trying to start. Alright, we're gonna shut it off in the house. Look at this, not even a disconnect out here. Might be an easy fix. Sounds like it's just a capacitor if I get it apart. Where's the breakers?
Yes, I should.
I gotta shut it off in the panel downstairs.
Yes.
So I can work on it.
Sure.
It's ridiculous. So AC is this one. That should be at 40 amp. AC. I got a couple of 30s here. I don't know. It might be one of them too.
Oh yeah, the dryer is off.
Something just shut off. I just shut off 330 so I can go out there and work on it.
That's it, no problem.
Nothing's labeled in here.
I know. That's our problem. We are trying.
Right against the flipping house. Unbelievable. I might be able to get the capacitor out. Maybe. Look at that. Not even a connector on it. There's our problem right there. Capacitor, see, it's puffed. So that's what the problem is, why it's not running. Mr. Mouse there is just kind of chilling. He's just kind of chilling there. We'll get another capacitor, it should start. I did pull it off the house a little bit. Unbelievable. What a shit show. That's a 40-5. I should have that in the truck. Alright, so the brown is the fan, yellow's the compressor, and the red and the purple is the common. We'll get this back together and we'll try starting it. It's like a little 3.5 ton. I did pull it off the house a little bit, just piping's going all the way up. Give it a little bit more room to breathe there. We'll go turn on the breakers, it should fire right up now. That was definitely a problem. Let's see. That's 130. This should be it here. Some of the 3 breakers I shut off. Yeah, so it's still calling. The old brown turd lives again. The old brown turd.